everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered if a simple box of crayons could hold the key to something truly heroic? Well, today, we're diving into a story that proves art isn't just about pretty pictures. It's about connection, courage, and creating smiles when they're needed most. This is an artistic mission, powered by wax and wiggles, and dedicated to our everyday heroes. It all started with a simple idea. We saw these incredible people all around us, nurses working tirelessly, firefighters rushing towards danger, teachers shaping the future, and even the friendly mail carrier who never misses a day, rain or shine. These are the real-life superheroes of our communities. We thought, how can we show them our appreciation in a way that's personal, heartfelt, and a little bit fun? The answer was right there in our hands, crayons. So, we launched what we called the Hero Project. The mission was simple: gather as many drawings from kids as possible, each one a colorful thank you note to a local hero. We reached out to schools, community centers, and families, and the response was absolutely overwhelming. We received hundreds of drawings, each one a masterpiece of imagination. There were firefighters battling rainbow-colored dragons, doctors with magical healing hands, and librarians soaring on flying books. The creativity was just astounding. Looking through these drawings was an emotional journey. Each crayon stroke told a story of admiration and gratitude. One little girl drew a picture for the sanitation workers, showing them as knights in shining armor with recycling bins for shields. A young boy drew his bus driver with a giant, smiling sun on the front of the bus. It was a powerful reminder that heroes are everywhere, and kids see them with such clarity and wonder. They see the kindness, the bravery, and the dedication that we adults sometimes take for granted. The best part of this mission, of course, was the delivery. We bundled up these amazing works of art and started our hero tour. We visited fire stations, hospitals, and local businesses. The look on their faces was priceless. We saw tough, seasoned firefighters get misty-eyed over a drawing of them rescuing a cat from a tree. We saw nurses, in the middle of a chaotic shift, stop and smile at a picture of them wearing a superhero cape. These weren't just drawings. They were bursts of joy, tangible pieces of gratitude that they could hold on to. One nurse told us, on a tough day, "This little piece of paper is going to remind me why I do what I do." And that's the real power of this project. It's a bridge between the community and its heroes, built with nothing more than paper and crayons. It proves that even the smallest act of creativity can have a huge impact. It's a reminder for all of us to look for the heroes in our own lives and find a way, big or small, to say thank you. You don't need a grand gesture. Sometimes, a little color is all it takes to make someone's day. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible artistic mission. I hope it inspires you to spread a little color and kindness in your own community. If you enjoyed this story, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, keep creating and keep celebrating our heroes.